You need to hear this if you're an engineer in RF design. Traditional RF design relies heavily on manual input. Think lengthy simulation cycles and tedious iterations. But with AI-driven RF design, the process transforms. Automated layout generation, real-time simulations, and predictive modeling cut down design time and errors. Let's talk performance. Traditional designs, larger, more components, limited scalability. AI-driven designs, more compact, faster, optimized for 5G and AI. Cost and time efficiency. Traditional methods burn time and money on manual iterations and testing. AI-driven designs slash those costs, speeding up time to market and reducing the need for physical prototypes. Manufacturing. Traditional methods require costly updates for advanced packaging. AI-driven manufacturing. It enhances existing tools with AI models, leading to faster, scalable production. The outcome? AI-optimized RFICs are smaller, perform better, and cost less. The choice is clear. Traditional RFICs are slow and costly, while AI-driven designs are faster, cheaper, and ready for the future. AI-driven RF design is here. Are you on board?